Subscribe to Movie Learnings and click on the bell icon to get notification on all new travel videos.
Nairobi, the capital city of Kenya, is home to some of the best tourist attractions in the country. The rich history and the tribal culture of the capital city is well depicted by the astounding landmarks, attracting vacationers from all across the globe. The city that was once neglected by the vacationers is a tourist hub in today's date. The city is a wonderful amalgamation of cosmopolitan streets and the dynamic culture of the city and its people. So let's explore. 1. Uhuru Park. Nairobi has some of the finest gardens and parks in Africa, and Uhuru Park is one of them. Uhuru Park is the most beautiful and popular inner city park in Nairobi, and it offers a wide range of fun and exciting activities such as boat riding on the lake, camel riding, picnic with friends and family. The recreation park features a variety of natural play areas for children, an artificial lake and several national monuments. It is a favorite retreat for residents and tourists. 2. Imax Theatre. What could be more fun and exciting than watching your favorite actor's new movie from a 3D screen in the theatre? Located in 20th Century Plaza, Imax Theatre is Nairobi's unique movie theatre that makes movie better. With delicious popcorn in your lap, snuggle into a supple seat and allow the movie to entice you while you listen to a sound that feels like it is rooted into your earlobe. You will definitely have a good time. 3. Brown's Cheese Factory and Farm. Lunch at Brown's Cheese Farm is an amazing retreat at all times of year. Enjoy a farm-to-table lunch, excellently prepared cheese accompanied with a variety of homemade breads and biscuits, chicken tacos, roasted vegetables and gourmet salads. Take a tour of the factory and experience the cheese-making process. Enjoy a very fulfilling afternoon in a peaceful environment. The farm is located about half an hour drive out of Nairobi, and it's definitely worth a visit. 4. Finix Casino is a house of fun, a place where you can act like a high roller without rolling high. If you want to relax and have lots of gaming action and fun, Finix Casino is the place to be. The casino offers players with lots of games and an extensive selection of slot machines including electronic roulette table. The best part of having fun in Finix Casino is winning a jackpot. 5. Nairobi Safari Walk. Taking a walking adventure in Nairobi Safari Walk is an exciting activity. It's a great way to experience African wildlife and nature on foot. It gives you an opportunity to establish a relationship with nature and wildlife and even share their paths and space. 6. GP Karting. There is nothing as fun as motorsports. It's really fun. There are a wide variety of thrill-seeking activities to indulge in at the venue. There's also a restaurant and bar where you can wine and dine after racing. Take your friends and family and visit one of the most exciting entertainment places in Nairobi. 7. Maasai Ostrich Farm. Instead of looking for fun in the regular places, why not visit Maasai Ostrich Farm? There are plenty things to see and do in this farm, from swimming to ostrich riding. You also get an opportunity to go on a farm tour, learn more about the ostrich and get entertained. It is a whole new experience you wouldn't want to miss. Thank you for watching. Please do subscribe, like, share and comment this videos with your friends.